This is a farm we call Tell City. It was built in the 90s and has since been remodeled to house 1,750 sows. My name is Ian Brook. I'm Director of U.S. Nucleus Operations and Supply Chain for AccuFast. With the Gestall feeder, we've been able to understand the distribution of feed intake in our genetic lines and understand the differences and outliers. That's allowed our team to really focus time on the high end and the low end of feed consumption and make adjustments as needed. The team can walk in every morning and know just by the lights on the Gestall feeder who is ate, who is not ate, and where they need to focus their time.
I'm Jamie Cruz. I'm the farm manager here at Tell City, and I've been here for 6 years. The value that has been brought forth by adding these Gestall feeders really has enabled us to really measure the consumption of the sows. Prior to these feeders, we had ad libitum feeders, and we had no measurement of consumption whatsoever. We were having to scrape feeders every day, a lot of wastage. So it really helped us to become more efficient time-wise and feed cost-wise.
A positive experience we've had with the Quattro is really why we decided to work with Gestall in implementing this technology. It's really centered around ease of use and understanding of the farm how to implement the technology.
The gilts in the farrowing house learn the feeders very quickly, and within a day or two, they learn their schedule, and as soon as they know when it's time to eat, they jump up and they're ready to eat.
The cost of seasonal infertility is that much greater in a nucleus herd. The Gestall Quattro feeders allowed us to really understand when the sows want to access feed with the feed trigger system and the data collection, where we can tailor the time periods to less hot parts of the day or even in the evening when the crew's not here for that sow to access feed when it's in most high demand.
I absolutely think that precision feeding is critical for all pork production, because then you're able to manage and measure what you're feeding and then also reduce wastage as well.
Beginning with our first interaction with the Gestall team a few years ago, this whole process has been a positive one, and the relationship has grown since day one. From the initial meetings understanding the technology, to designing the layouts for the farms, to ordering, to installation and implementation, the customer support and Gestall being there along the way has been second to none.
Hi, my name is Dr. Hyatt Frobos. I serve as the USA Commercial Director for Gigatech USA, makers of Gestall feeders. Our industry is going to continue to face new and growing challenges such as animal health, environmental sustainability, and worker retention. And it's clear that AccuFast, with these types of technologies as well as others, is investing in ways to produce a higher quality product that can adapt to these changing challenges in the pork industry. For genetic customers like AccuFast, the capture of this individual data by sow is a really powerful tool, as they can better make genetic selection decisions based on not only the intake capacity of these sows, which may vary from genetic line to genetic line, but they can also improve the lactational efficiency of their sows to better market their products to downstream consumers.